Hi everyone, this is Maria and today I want to share a giveaway that I recently won over on AlphaTraveler1. That's the name of his channel, AlphaTraveler1, and I'll be sure to link that below in the discussion box. And so anyways, you guys, in fact, I'll probably just go ahead and link one of his videos so you can go over and check his channel out if you like. And so he does Disney videos, which I love Disney. And he has some really cool Disney giveaways, you guys. He also does some other travel videos, some hometown things like some parades, which I love hometown parades, you guys. So this is what I won. And by the way, I believe he had 3 different giveaways in this one giveaway. So there were 3 prizes. And so this was the first one. Look at this, you guys. This is a Funko Pop. It's Nemo. I don't have any Funko Pops, so this is my very first one, and it's so cute. And so if I was going to start collecting, I'm glad it's with this one. And so the other thing I won in this giveaway is this really cute drinking bottle, you guys. Look at this. This is glass. And then this cover, it's like a rubber cover, kind of like a gripper, I guess, so it doesn't slip out of your hand. But look at this, you guys, the artwork. I love this. It's so much fun. And so thank you so much, Alpha Traveler. So I'm going to go ahead and move this back. And then we're going to take this fishbowl that I purchased at the 99-cent only store. I paid $1.99 for this. And then I also got some of these glass gems. I got some of the clear ones. These were 99 cents. And I also got a package of these blue ones. These are so pretty. I wish they had more, but they only had 1 package. And so that's why I got both colors. I also got this, you guys, at the 99-cent store in the pet aisle. And so I thought this would look really fun. I love this bright green color. And then I found some seashells. And look at this orange seashells. And I also paid 99 cents for these. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this down in here. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Look at this, you guys. Just way too adorable. Just love this. So I'm going to pour some of these in here. Some of the clear ones. And then let's go ahead and put some of the blue ones. By the way, I just wanted to mention that these are the smaller gemstones. And so let's go ahead and put some here, some more back here. So let's go ahead and set Nemo in his new fishbowl here. That looks so cute, you guys. And so we're going to add some seashells. Let's put this little snail in there. Put that right there. Oh my gosh, these are so beautiful. I don't know which one I like best. But I do like the orange one, but I do like this one too. So let's go ahead and set this in there. Let's put this right here. And let's go ahead and set this really pretty orange one in there. Okay, so we have 2 different sizes. Let's go ahead and put the larger one in first. Kind of like it if we set it like that, you guys. So since I have a few beach items in our guest bathroom, I thought Nemo in his fishbowl would look so cute in there. And so also at the 99-cent store, I purchased this really adorable hand soap. Look at this, you guys. And then I also got this one right here. And so this is gonna look really cute, you guys. So thanks again, AlphaTraveler1. You truly made my day with this fun giveaway. Thanks for watching, everyone. And I hope you all have a great day. Bye-bye.